Hi there, thanks for joining me again. I have a very fun and summery pull-through braid to share. So honestly, I can't believe I'm just discovering this braid now. It is very simple, very easy. If you're someone who struggles with braiding your own hair and you can't figure out which strand to cross over which, this is the perfect beginner's braid because you are literally just creating ponytails, splitting them apart and creating more ponytails. So to start off this braid, you're going to gather some hair at your hairline and create a ponytail. You can do this at the crown of your head as well if you choose to leave some hair at the front of your face to frame your face. So it just depends on the look that you're going for. So once you have the ponytail secure, you're just going to bring it forward and it's going to stay there so that it doesn't get mixed up with with the rest of your hair. So now you're going to gather some more hair and you're going to create a second ponytail that's directly below the first ponytail. So you want to keep them quite close together. Comb through the strands of your hair with your fingers so that you have an even ponytail with no hairs sticking out on the sides. And once you're satisfied with that second ponytail, you're going to grab a rubber band and you're going to go ahead and secure that second ponytail. So now that you have two ponytails created, you're going to go back to that first ponytail you created earlier. You're going to take that ponytail and you're going to split it into two equal pieces. You're going to split it into two. You're going to put the two splits to the side, and then you're going to bring that second ponytail you created and you're going to pull that one forward like you did earlier with the first one. You're going to just pin it there at the front of your face, or just keep it there so that it doesn't get mixed up with the rest of the hair. So with your two split pieces, you're going to incorporate hair to one split with your left thumb on the left hand side, and then you're going to incorporate hair to the right split by gathering some hair with your right thumb. So be sure to gather equal amounts of hair or incorporate equal amounts of hair, and then you're going to grab another rubber band and secure that ponytail. So this is going to be your third ponytail. And once that's secure, you're going to bring back, or not bring back, but you're going to work with the second ponytail that you clipped forward. You're going to take that ponytail, do the same thing. You're going to split it in half into two equal pieces, pull them apart, and then bring that third ponytail forward. Grab a hair clip, keep it secured in the front there, and then again incorporate hair to the left split by gathering some hair with your left thumb, and then incorporate some hair to the right split by gathering some hair with your right thumb, and then tie off with a rubber band. I think this is the fourth ponytail now. So you're going to secure that, and by now I'm sure you're seeing the pattern. So you're going to pull that other ponytail forward, back, but before you do so, you're going to split it into two equal pieces, pull them apart, pull the other ponytail below forward, clip that ponytail, and then again incorporate hair by gathering some with your left thumb and then gathering some with your right thumb. So you're going to keep doing, or you're going to keep repeating this step or this process until you've run out of hair. So once I've secured my final ponytail, I've run out of hair, I'm going to tie off that final ponytail, and I'm going to do something a little bit different just to speed up the process a little bit, and just because I'm not incorporating any more hair because there's none left. I'm going to go ahead and tie my rubber band more towards the tip of this ponytail, and then I'm going to bear a hole at the top, and I'm going to bring that bottom ponytail forward or through. I'm going to pull it through. And then do the same thing, take a rubber band, tie it more towards the end of my ponytail, and then create a hole again at the top, and then pull that bottom ponytail through. And then I think I'm going to do it one final time. I'm going to tie my ponytail towards the tip, and then make a hole at the top of the rubber band, above the rubber band, and pull the bottom ponytail through. And that pretty much is it. So I have a lot of hairs sticking out. I don't like how it looks at the bottom, so I roll them underneath, and I'm going to bobby pin the ends of the braid under the overall braid. So that's pretty much it for this pull through braid. It's super simple. You're not having to work with 3 to 4 or 5 different strands crisscrossing one under the other. You're just creating ponytails, splitting it, incorporating more ponytails. It's so simple. This pull through braid looks so much like a Dutch braid. It reminds me very much of a Dutch braid without all the work of a Dutch braid. So here I'm just fixing any loose ends, fixing the front, adjusting the braid. You also want to go back and pull out the braid so that it looks a bit more loose, it gives it a nice, I guess, a bigger effect or a voluminous effect. If you have a lot of layers in your hair, you're going to have a lot of strands sticking out on the sides, so you definitely are going to use quite a few bobby pins to secure those ends that are sticking out. I think this is the perfect summer braid. It is such a beautiful and elegant way to keep your hair up during the summer. And with the right hairpin, I think this could also go from a casual braid to an evening updo. So I hope you enjoyed this easy beginner's braid. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in my next one.